Natalie. Welcome to my channel. Can we please excuse what I look like right now? It's just like, it's Sunday night. It's like a no makeup thing. So I had this idea and I wanted to share it with you guys. So here I am. You know how much I love Marshalls and like TJ Maxx, Ross, just stores like that. So I was like, okay, well, what if I do a little thing, like a little, what would it be called? Like, I guess I'm a channel, so is this a special? I don't know, a little edition? No, you know the word I'm looking for. A series, okay, of like Marshalls, like discount stores. So what if each week I go and I film the makeup at the discount stores in different areas around me? So this week I went to one area where they have Marshalls and Ross. So next week I'm gonna go to a different area where they have like a TJ Maxx and Marshalls. And I'm gonna see what makeup they have at each one. I'm gonna film it. Like, I don't know, I thought it would be fun, and I feel like you guys like to see that stuff. I know I do. I love to see Marshalls finds and TJ Maxx finds. Like, it's the little things that make your day, isn't it? It just truly is. So, without further ado, we are going to jump into my filming. Guys, give me a break, okay? Like, cut me some slack here. This was my first time doing it, and I took Sean with me, which that will never happen again. He was distracting me. So I tried to do it to the best of my ability. And yes, I could just buy the makeup and show it to you, but I'm kind of broke. And I don't know, I kind of want you guys to see the setup, like how the store's set up, like the amount of product they have. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Give me some feedback on, you know, the footage, I guess, so that way I know what to change for next week. And I'm filming this before I put the film together, and I just checked the footage on my computer, and I am hoping that it's full screen, but it seems to not look like it's gonna be full screen. So if anyone knows how to fix that, also when going from your camera to Final Cut or your phone to Final Cut, let me know. All right, here we go. Look at my hair. Embarrassing. Okay, so they have this Anastasia blush kit for $19.99, and it actually is in really good condition. It says comparable at $33, but a lot of times that's off, and it's actually more than what it says. They still have the contour kits. They have the individual concealer pots, which are labeled at $6.99 here. They have individual shadows for $3.99. They have the lip kits, the palette ones, for $24.99, but they seem to like not be in that great a shape. They have the Aurora Glow kits, but they are all damaged, and they're labeled at $24.99. They always seem to have damaged palettes at this Marshalls. And then they have the Stila contour kits still for $9.99. They also have the Anastasia lip glosses for $6.99. They have some Bite Lip products labeled at $6.99. Also, a Shiseido brush, foundation brush for $19.99.
Yes.
So I just wanted to show you guys, these are the lip masks that are amazing. I'll put pictures for you to see the before and afters of my lips when I use these masks. They're $2.99. I'm going to pick up the strawberry ones. I've never tried them, but these Shea Butter ones are the ones that I'm telling you are the greatest product I have ever used by far on my lips. This Marshalls actually has so much makeup. I can't cover it all right now, They have a lot of NYX, like little lip sets like this for $6.99. They have a lot of e.l.f. lip products also. They have a lot of brushes. They have a lot of e.l.f. products, as you can see, and everything obviously is priced very reasonable because e.l.f. is originally reasonable. So they have a lot of Shiseido products labeled at like $34.99 for wrinkle products. This is, yeah, it's all $34.99 it seems for the Shiseido. They have Elizabeth Arden. They have e.l.f. down there. They don't seem to really have any amazing skincare right now. Sometimes this one does. They have a lot of generic beauty blenders. I try some out here sometimes and I never really find any that I'm super impressed with. They also have a lot of masks from places like the Cream Shop or different brands like that. They're usually anywhere between $2.99 and like $6.99 for around a 5-pack. They actually do have a lot of great masks at this particular Marshall's. Okay, they have the Anastasia 3-piece liquid lip sets for $14.99, comparable at $25. I think they're more. They have the shades Dazed, Buttersweet, and Hudson. These are actually pretty. So I'm in Ross, Dress for Less. They don't have a ton of stuff. They have like some Philosophy bottles. What else do they have? They have just like the nice soaps that like Marshall's does too. Nothing in particular. Look, say hi, Shawnee. Look, Sean sees Lightning McQueen, so they have that, so that's a plus for them, huh? They have just stuff that you could really find anywhere. I feel like nothing special. What do you like better, Frozen or Lightning McQueen? They have a Real Techniques brush set. Let's see the price. $5.99. That's what they usually are at Marshall's. Come on this side, buddy. They have the same type of makeup wipes. They have a Peter Thomas Roth 6-piece mask set for $14.99, which actually is pretty good. Sean's driving me super nuts, guys. They don't really have anything amazing that I'm seeing in this department. Let's go check. I saw makeup in another section. I'm gonna go look. Okay, so they don't really have amazing makeup. They have some e.l.f. stuff, just all really generic. They have some Eco Tools brush sets, $6.99. They have this NYX set, $9.99. I don't even know what that one is. Wanderlust in Vegas. They have another NYX set, $3.99. So I guess that's kind of cheaper than Marshall's. But that's about it for them. Okay, so that was some of the makeup. The majority of it was Marshall's, as you saw. Ross really had nothing. They had those couple, like, the Peter Thomas Roth masks. What else did they have? They had something, they just, I don't know. That's how I always feel about Ross. I just don't find amazing finds. I feel like if you're gonna find something there, you might be able to find something in skincare. Other than that, the makeup, no, I wouldn't even really waste my time. So I just wanted to really quickly give you the real prices of some of the products, because I did notice with Marshall's, a lot of times it'll have the price of what they're selling it at, and then it says retail value of like what it would be before the discount, like if you were buying it straight from Anastasia or somewhere. And the price they give you isn't the real price. It's usually lower than what Anastasia or Sephora would actually sell it for. So here are the prices. The Aurora Glow Kits are $40. Why do I feel like they're, no, that's what they are. The blush kits are $30. The 3-piece liquid lip of the Anastasias are $25. The full-size liquid lips are $20, and they had a lot of those. And they normally have a lot of lip products. Marshalls does. I don't always see a ton of Anastasia, but I don't know what's going on. Anastasia must be like, hey, I'm coming out with a ton of new stuff, because that's all Marshalls is right now. I'm telling you. The contour kits are $40 originally, and the lip palette is $48. So that is some of the prices, just so you know what it would originally be. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought of this little video. I don't know, I thought it was something fun. I was just thinking about how I like to do Marshall's hauls, and I don't really have the money to be buying like that constantly or every week. So I was like, why don't I just take you guys with me, put you in my pocket, and bring you along? And that's what I did. So let me know what you think, you know. I have been waiting for so much stuff in the mail, like, oh god, I just feel like I might actually, this might be like a 5 video week. I'm not even kidding, because I have some stuff, some serious stuff to get out. God willing that I get the stuff in the mail, but if I do, I should be getting a lot of stuff out. And let's address the Jeffree Star giveaway really quickly. Guys, I was sitting there waiting. I was gonna get the giveaway palette. I was gonna get my palette. Next thing I know, everything's sold out. It's like, what? Like, I was just blown away by how quickly it was sold out. Go Jeffree Star, seriously, like, you gotta give him props. You gotta give him props, whether you love him or hate him. He's doing his thing. So, I did pre-order. I pre-ordered 2. It said that will be in 4 weeks, so I'm assuming the giveaway will end, and roughly 2 weeks later is when I will be getting the product and shipping it out to the winner. So honestly, that's really not bad. I'm not worried about the time issue. As I said, I ordered 2, one for you guys, one for myself. The more I'm thinking though, that might end up being the March giveaway also. I might just do this giveaway all over again for next month. Let me know what you guys think, or if you would prefer to see something else. But I kind of like this palette, and I'm thinking I might redo the giveaway and just give away my palette. So I don't know, we'll see, because money's tight, and I don't know, I think it's a good idea. So you know the drill. Hit the subscribe button and the little like check thingy to like the video, check mark, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to check out my Insta, which is linked below, and my Jeffree Star giveaway on there, or whatever one is going on when you see this. Alright, look at my lip. It's so dry, it hurts. Love you, bye.